So, you're looking to dip into your Nutmeg pension, huh? Maybe you're thinking about a new car, a down payment on a house, or perhaps you're just looking for a little extra cash to tide you over. Whatever the reason, let's dive into the world of pension withdrawals. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's be clear, pensions are meant for your retirement. They're a long-term savings plan designed to provide you with a comfortable lifestyle when you stop working. But life happens, and sometimes, extraordinary circumstances arise. Now, can you actually withdraw your Nutmeg pension? The short answer is yes, but it's not as simple as hitting a withdrawal button. There are rules, regulations, and tax implications you need to be aware of. First, let's talk about the different types of pension withdrawals. There are primarily two main ways to access your pension. Accessing your pension before retirement. This is generally frowned upon by financial experts, but it's possible under certain conditions. We're talking about scenarios like severe financial hardship, terminal illness, or if you've reached the age of 55. Accessing your pension at retirement. This is the more common and, let's say, approved method. You can start accessing your pension when you reach your state pension age, which is currently 66 in the UK. Now, let's break down those conditions for early access a bit more. If you're facing severe financial hardship, you might be able to access your pension. But this is a serious step and should be considered a last resort. You'll need to provide evidence of your hardship, which can be a stressful process. If you're diagnosed with a terminal illness, you might also be eligible for early access. This is to help you make the most of your remaining time. Again, you'll need to provide medical evidence to support your claim. And then there's the age 55 rule. If you've reached 55, you can access your pension as a lump sum or as an income. However, be aware that if you choose to take a lump sum, you'll pay tax on it. Once you've determined if you can access your pension and how you want to do it, you'll need to consider the tax implications. Pension withdrawals are generally subject to income tax. The amount of tax you pay will depend on your overall income. There's also the matter of pension freedoms. These were introduced a few years ago and gave people more flexibility over how they access their pension. However, it's important to note that with great freedom comes great responsibility. Making the wrong decisions can have serious financial consequences. So, should you withdraw your Nutmeg pension? It's a big decision with far-reaching implications. Before you make any moves, it's crucial to weigh up the pros and cons carefully. Consider your financial situation, your retirement goals, and the potential tax implications. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. Seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor can be invaluable. They can help you understand your options, assess your financial situation, and create a plan that's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.